Looks like we're taking another trip to Sprunky Land. Time to see familiar faces. And maybe some new ones. Ah, Sprunky babies. They make their dreams come true. And by the looks of it, they'll do the same for you. Either way, they're going on a little trip. Mama Pinky's on the case. Or at least her mini alter ego. Wow, it looks like she's going to Wonderland. Just like Alice. Or is she the pink rabbit? Looks like we're playing a game. We've got 3 lives and need 3 keys. Now make that 2. We got 1. Careful with those pipes. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Is going down a pipe ever a good idea? At least put on some gear. Now go. Wait, those aren't goldfish. They're pufferfish. Grab that key before they start a boating school. Ah, it's always nice to go for a swim. But now we're dealing with a real electric eel. You know, Mr. Black's being a real pest. And you know what happens to pests. Hey, we found the last key after all. First things first, let's get baby Pinky out of here. Don't worry, you're a free bunny. Shame about Big Pinky, though. Aw, love always saves the day. Come one and all, the Sprunky Witch grants wishes. Of course, she'll need a little help with the ingredients. Well, let's help you get started. Here's a toadstool. Oh, and here's that rainbow flower. Last but not least, a bunny bat. Time for a deposit. And a withdrawal. Looks like Aqua wants her baby back. You need a skull, gems, and a frog. What better place to look than Slime Mart? It's okay, she's got an eye for these things. Remind me to invite her to our next scavenger hunt. Okay, one last item. We found all 3. Let's see the witch to make a switch. Wow, your baby sure looks like a key. I think you should follow that crow. Yeah, I'm not gonna ask what the witch was doing with this cage. Wow, it sure is cold in here.
Ew.
Red Mama could help us.
Nah.
Especially one with a cool hat. And matching scarf. Next, why don't we fix up that window? If you do a job, you need to do it well and follow instructions. That'll keep the cold out. So now, let's heat things up. Oh, where's that little match girl when you need her? Well, it's okay. Things are about to spark. Ah, this mama's sure got a warm heart. We're almost done, but we still need to make a key. Just gotta make sure it's a custom fit. That wasn't too hard. Now Ratty's a free baby. Let's go out and soak up that sunshine. Of course, there's such a thing as too much sun. Poor Vineria. A desert's no place for a baby. Are you sure we can trust this guy? Oh no! It's Mr. Black! And now he's a baby? But first, someone's calling for help. Hey, Vineria didn't order twins. One's a fake. But how do we prove which one's the real one? Our special X-ray. Ooh, a skeleton on the inside. Wait, that's normal. But this sure isn't. Probably should have taken that antidote in the first place. Uh-oh, what's he up to now? Quick, somebody catch that baby! Once again, the day is saved by a butterfly net. Now let's see how you like it. See you next fall. Now why don't we go touch some grass? Maruna's here to save baby Wyram. But first, she needs to play a little game. Well, you can't win if you don't guess. Didn't know this was a squid game. Poor Maruna doesn't have time for this. But we do. It's time we whack-a-mole. Looks like that earned us a round 2. Now who's got the baby? Ooh, a Labubu. So, by process of elimination, your baby. Hold on, we gotta play a game first. Draw in the house without lifting the pen. Nah, that won't work. You forgot the bottom. How about we take another go? No? Maybe third time's the charm. It's simple. You just need to start with a diagonal line. The rest practically fills itself in. You did it! And baby Wyram is safe. Let's get out of here. Oh no! Baby Wenda's stuck in the river!
Oh no!
Well, this looks like a good time to go fishing. Let me know if you get any boots. I could use a pair. A lot of Sprunky heads, but still no baby Wenda. It's like Sprunky White and the 6 dwarves. They'll help you get your baby back. Just match the orange. Steady, steady. Bullseye! Now we gotta match Pinky next. Come on, Derple, let's fill in those blanks. Okay, Vineria's in a tough spot. Or, well, she's gonna be. Just 2 more to go. Ratty and Simon. Ooh, looks like we've earned the rainbow key. The perfect thing to go with this rainbow lock. Now baby Wenda will be part of your world. Can't forget your floaty. It's your time to rise. All in all, you can't beat a good lake day. Now I think a little mommy and me time is overdue. Hi everyone, it's Oren, but you're missing something.
Uh-huh.
Much better. Now you need some company.
Yes.
Let's fix that. And here are your backpacks. And just in time, school's about to begin. There goes the bell. Quick, don't want to be late. Looks like we're starting with chemistry class. Okay, Semi-Hemi, pick your ingredients. Whoa, apple, candy, and a rainbow. Mix it together and we've got water beads. An A+. Okay, Sky, it's your turn next. Let's see, a heart, a unicorn, and a bit of magic. And what's more magic than glitter slime? Hey, look! The A+ already comes included. Okay then, we've got sugar, we've got everything nice, so it looks like Ratty's cooking with spice. And then things are getting hot, hot, hot! Can someone turn on the air conditioner? Well, guess a plumber's work is never done. The weather forecast didn't call for rain, but it does now. Well, maybe Ratty can have an A for effort. Of course, you can't have school without drama. And no, we're not talking school plays. Poor Aqua, she's all alone. And prom's tomorrow. Don't worry, a switch card will fix everything. Well, not everything. Now Pinky's all alone. Wow, never knew that was a real straw. Or that Aqua could be so transparent. Don't worry, refills are free around here. It's okay, there's plenty of fish in the sea. And by fish, I mean Simon. He's available. Another day, another bus ride. Just remember, there's no sweets on board. Guess it's time for some X-rays. Lollipops! And you would have gotten away with it too. Okay, you're clear now. Get on the bus. Come on down, Pinky. It's your turn. Well, that explains the polka dot top. Honestly, the driver did you a favor. And last but not least, it's Tunner's turn. He's clean? Well, we'll tip your hat to... What the... Caught you! You know, I always wondered about that hat. Okay, everybody, buckle up. Here we go. Guess Aqua's getting in her steps today. And she's getting plenty of rest with all that sleeping in.
Oops.
You need some wheels. And look, a bike! It's a bit of a fixer-upper, so let's fix it up. Don't worry, this'll pump you right up. Okay, Aqua, time to get pedaling. Lunchtime already? My kind of school. Okay, everybody, have your orders ready. Okay, Sky. First, a burger and fries. And it's time to think inside the bun. Now let's get the grill going. Just hear that sizzle. Of course, you need some greens. And cheese. 'Cause without cheese, it's just a burger. Now let's whip you up that strawberry shake. Whoa, check out that tip. Next up, Durple. You want a hot dog and orange juice. Come on, little doggy. Can't forget the mustard. Wow, rush hour comes earlier every day. Oh no! Binaria's energy levels are down. Don't worry, one meat lover special coming right up. Uh-oh, I think you mixed things up a bit. Everyone calm down. This is a cafeteria.
Meh.
If you want fast food, you should really order in. Okay, that's it. It's time to ring the alarm. We're closed. Besides, don't you kids have classes?
Phew.
Professor Aurelia's class is in session. Binaria, can you solve the equation? We gotta move the line so it makes sense. Is there a mathematician in the house? It's your turn, Durple. Maybe the sign's the trick. Guess not.
Ouch. Meh.
Don't worry, Ratty. 3's your lucky number.
Yay!
Next up, a word jumble. Just what class is this? Just keep calm and try to work out the words. Sprunky's the word. And look, there's my best friends, too. Huh, that was fun. You're on a roll. What's next? We have to pick the right semi-hemi?
What?
Come on, can a semi-hemi really be wrong? Okay, let's ask the audience for help. Do we go with 2 or call a friend? We're right, and we passed the class. Aw, looks like Clucker's having a bad day. Ooh, I wonder what he put in his locker. And we are the hall monitors, I think. His wallet is all full of litter? Why don't we give Clucker a fun surprise? And take his locker on a special treasure hunt. Just make sure that everything's, well, treasure.
Wow. Ouch.
Well, look on the bright side. At least the money's okay.
Ouch.
But we won't be if you lose your last life. Either way, let's fill up Clucker's wallet. And wait for Mr. Locker to give him a big surprise. Surprise, Clucker!